luxury, elegance, and timeless beauty. Welcome to Hazm, one of the most breathtaking destinations in the city. Today, we are diving into its stunning architecture. I'm taking you now to Hazm Mall. Wanna check this place? Let's go! This place is straight out of a European dream, inspired by classical Italian architecture. Hazm blends luxury with heritage. Even the floor beneath me is crafted from the finest Italian marble. Every corner here tells a story of art and craftsmanship. This is where fashion meets exclusivity, from design, clothing to high-end perfume. And the best part, you can enjoy it all under the open sky. This isn't just a mall, it's a place of culture hidden inside. Hazm isn't just a mall, it's an experience. Would you visit this place? Let me know in the comments. So, our next stop is... I'll keep it secret for now. And let's go. And hi guys, how are you? So after the tour in Hazm Mall, which I hope you like it, I want to do something different this time. I want to do some question and answer. There is a lot of question I had it, so I want to answer a few questions and let's start. That's a great question, by the way. Still recording. So I wanted to bring you into my experience. I wanted to show you new place and make you feel like you are here with me. And this is how Vistas by Hichem was born. Next question. That's a tough one, but I think vlogging in the old airport was good, but also this vlog for Hazm Mall, I like it. I hope you like it too. I like my vlog when I catch very good moment. For example, in Hazm, the view is amazing. You can see the architecture, you can see the historical place. So I will go with Hazm Mall for top one for now. It's good, huh? Next question. Well, I already answered that in previous video, but I'll repeat it again. So, despite the fact that I born in Arab country and I grew up speaking Arabic, but I wanted to make some change. First of all, to motivate some people who wanted to learn English, who wanted to speak fluently with English. It doesn't matter how you grow up, it doesn't matter where you grew up. What matters is what's your next move and how you're gonna start learning and start finding ways to improve yourself. It doesn't matter if you're gonna start doing vlogs or start doing any activity. What matters is how you improve yourself, how you make yourself better each day. I feel like I'm under rotate. Next. Challenging about vlogging is having the balance between filming creating scenario, having a story to tell, editing, script, translate. So in my case, I am doing all of this: filming, script, storytelling, editing, translate, because most of my audience are from Arab country. I have to put translate here, which is here. So this all take time. That's why I hope you support me in that. Just make sure to subscribe, follow, and share to your friends. For this, yes, just start. Don't wait for the perfect camera. Don't wait for the moment. Just grab what you have and go film, and start getting used to see yourself in the camera. You will be surprised the first time you hear your voice when recording it. It's gonna be strange how you're gonna see yourself in the camera, but all of this is part of the process. You need to train yourself. You need to just take the initiative, take the first step. So that was fun. I like connecting with you guys. So if you enjoy this, make sure to leave me some question. I might answer on the next vlog. Until then, guys, stay curious, stay positive, and see you in the next video. Yalla.